How to withdraw Sweatcoin to a bank account, and can you even do that? That's what we will see in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So right now we will get the answer from the app itself. So go ahead and open up the Sweatcoin app, and once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top left, and from there click on the settings gear icon at the top right, and here click on help, and on this page click on the option that says other common queries. You will get to this page right here, in which you want to click on the drop down that says can I cash out my Sweatcoins to PayPal / my bank account. And once you do that, you will get this text right here, which is where we will find our answer. So let's go through it. As you can see right here, it says at the moment it is not possible to cash out Sweatcoins via PayPal or bank transfer. Let's continue. The long-term vision is to make Sweatcoin a fully fledged currency that will be listed on exchanges. But don't wait for this. Please spend your Sweatcoins in the marketplace with our brand partners. And now it tells you PayPal and Amazon vouchers are featured regularly, especially if you are inviting loads of friends, meaning that it is actually possible to cash out your Sweatcoins to PayPal or bank account, as they are stating here that PayPal vouchers, which are PayPal gift cards, are featured regularly in the shop or marketplace if you are inviting loads of people. So essentially what you need to do is you need to invite a lot of people till you reach a certain milestones. I can't tell you that milestones, what that milestones is. It can be 20 people, 50 people, 100 people. It can be there's no milestones at all. It depends. So you need to reach a certain level where you will be able to see the PayPal vouchers and gift cards as a withdrawal option, in which you will simply exchange your Sweatcoins for PayPal gift cards. And once you have the money on your PayPal account, you can then withdraw it to your gift card, or I mean to your credit card, which will send the money and put it after that to your bank account. So this is the process. Invite a lot of people. Once the PayPal vouchers are available, withdraw and redeem them in PayPal. After that, the money on PayPal will be transferred to your credit card, which is linked to your bank account. It's easy, and as you can see at the bottom, it tells us that please note that the offers change at least once a day, and if you do not see something you like, then pop back tomorrow. So let's go ahead to the marketplace and I will show you how it's done right here. As you can see, once you reach that certain milestones we've talked about, you invite a lot of people, you will be able to find PayPal gift cards right here, where you'll be able to use them to withdraw your Sweatcoins. So that was it for this video. That's how you can cash out Sweatcoins to a bank account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.